What is he supposed to be a pumpkin? I don't understand.
Pumpkinhead.
Oh. Oh.
Come on now, guys. You didn't realize he's Pumpkinhead.
I didn't. I was
Hey
like,
guys, I can't see.
kind of looks like Landon actually. Kind of looks like Landon.
I gotta move my nose.
Landon, this might be a costume.
It might be you.
Oh, what the heck? It's a pumpkin man.
I think they're supposed to be sushi.
Yeah.
What's
They're sushi?
Wait,
What?
I still don't get it. How are they sushi?
Because it's like, it's I guess like salmon and what else would it be?
Tuna.
Eel.
You
Eel?
think it's eel? I don't think it's eel.
This Charmander is confused.
Because the green I think is supposed to be the wrap. The white shirts of the rice, I guess.
This is brutal. This is the fact that we have to even discuss
This is
it.
like we got the Halloween party. Did you get the costumes? I thought you were getting them.
Yeah.
Okay, let's just grab the pillows and we'll do sushi.
Oh, what the hell? Can somebody explain that to me? What is this?
It's front and back of stained pants
No, but so what are you? Is for Halloween? I am the guy that my pants
and pissed.
and pissed.
Both.
I don't understand this.
Why? Why do you walk around like this?
Who made that?
What the heck's that?
I remember the time.
Oh.
Wait, what did it say? I remember the time that I wanted to dress as cotton candy for Halloween and I
Oh.
handmade my costume.
What? That's cotton candy?
Now that it says it, I get it, but it's just like
That's
the
terrifying.
face is just so scary to look at.
That is absolutely
It
terrifying.
looks like it's in pain. Like it's like just.
Oh, that's so sad. Is that like a towel?
I don't even know what that.
Oh.
Yeah, I guess a towel, but it kind of looks like fluffy, like cotton candy a little bit.
I feel like they showed up to school that day and got
Could you
bullied.
imagine if that was like insulation? How cheap it would be just all over your body? Oh,
Oh, the worst.
Hey, what's happening, you guys? I'm Charmander.
And I'm Pikachu.
And I'm Ash Ketchum, because you gotta catch them all. It's Halloween at the studio, and you guys know we're all gonna dress up, and I don't have my gloves because we're in a studio, so just keep that in mind.
We should probably say that this is Top 10 Central. Make sure you guys subscribe and leave a like because it really helps us out.
And we got bloopers. Dude, can we come in tomorrow like this, you and I?
You think we look ridiculous? Is this like an old? Is that a face mask or is that paint?
I looks like pain, man.
I think it might be paint.
Bert and Ernie.
But why not make them happy? They're just like I'm gonna be
They're
like
just
the
so
Joker
straight
version.
faced. And the eyes, man. I don't know which eyes are creepier. I think it's the one on the right.
Yeah.
Got another Sesame Street character, I think.
Oh, is it? Oh, Cookie Monster. Oh,
But dude,
I only know because I saw the bag. I was like, what is that? Pizza?
what's the
I
like?
think it's Cookie Monster.
But why does it have the black stringy hair?
I think it would have been. Does he have?
Isn't the Cookie Monster all blue everywhere?
What is it? Caesar salad.
Well, we were supposed to be Cleopatra and Caesar.
I get it, but like
Oh, I would kill someone.
that's Caesar.
That's a divorce.
That's Julius Caesar.
That's a divorce right there.
Yeah,
I would
that's-
kill you.
Like she did her job.
Like really? You had one freaking job. This is such a man thing to do. You would do this.
I
I
mean,
know it.
Maybe.
In
maybe.
you. Y'all would all show up in that Caesar package.
100% would.
What? Oh my god, those hands are the scariest things I've ever. Is that tape?
Oh my god.
Is that tape?
I don't know.
They made these.
Garbage
This is
bags?
not store
That's so
garbage
funny.
bags.
There's no way they can see. There's no way they can
They
see
can't do.
anything.
They can't even move. Look at the hands. How are you texting?
Yo, their legs are skinny. Yo, they be skipping leg day.
That's what you're looking at?
Well, that one guy's leg is like a.
That could be a girl. And I'm a little jealous. I like that. Come on now. Come on. What is that? What is
Do
it?
you think he's supposed to be a bread?
He's just bread?
A loaf of bread?
A loaf of bread?
I kind of want Landon to see this one too.
What is that?
Should I come in?
Yeah.
What? Is the bread man?
He's
not
a
even
loaf of
toasted.
bread.
Do you think it's bread man or a loaf?
A loaf of bread.
Loaf of bread?
He literally put a loaf of bread on.
No, this isn't a costume.
Yeah, it
This is a man that went to a bank to rob them.
And that's it?
You can't recognize me.
Stop it! That is actually.
It's actually kind of impressive.
It's so cool though.
It's a little impressive, but at the same time, it's very weird. It's very uncomfortable.
Yeah, I'm a
You know what
little
I mean?
uncomfortable. I feel like I would like to use this costume. That'd be really fun.
I just feel like,
That bikini is very small for that man.
yeah. It's like,
That's all I gotta say.
You know what a mammogram?
Please, poops,
You know what a mammogram is?
Yes, no. He did not walk around with that.
This is just such a creepy,
That
like,
is so creepy.
just uncomfortable vibes, man.
Bro, place boobs.
You know what I mean? It's like you're a weirdo.
You're a creep. It's genius, like it's funny genius because like,
It's funny, but at the same time I'm very uncomfortable.
It's clever.
Very minimal effort. This is just like the. This is like
the classic.
This is like when you're a baby, you do this.
This is what you send your kid in, like in
That's what I
kindergarten.
mean.
You throw
And
a white
this-
sheet over their head
They're
and
too
cut
tall.
2 holes.
They're too tall to be a kid. Unless it's a very tall kid. But I don't believe it because they're taller than that car back there, and that's a
So this is someone who showed up late to the party.
This is an adult. This
Didn't
is
have a
100% a grown person. They were just like, listen, I didn't get a costume.
I was invited late to the
I'm
party.
a ghost. So I'm a ghost.
This is it.
Oh, this is just the most cliche.
It's cheap.
Yeah. No effort. Something I would do.
Lazy.
Who wants to walk around like this, man?
I don't know.
Like, would you ever dress your kid?
No, never. Why are you wearing a toilet?
Like, what I want to know is like, even if
costume.
the kid was like, I really want it, as a parent, I'd be like,
No.
anything else. It's just
No.
not that. Oh.
Absolutely not that. That's the last costume you ever want to be. A toilet? You actually went trick-or-treating with this?
This is scary more than anything.
Oh my god.
What the? That is not.
Can we just try to-
That's not Homer.
Can we try to deconstruct this?
Jeez.
Y'all.
So the eyes have to be
Whoa,
what? Like
yo, he's got
ping
the
pong
hair.
balls?
Ping pong balls.
Hair is like the little twirly things at arts and crafts.
Yeah.
But what's the coloring? How is he yellow?
Paint.
I don't
Shaving
know.
cream, but with food coloring.
You think so?
And then Play-Doh. Bro, his
Something a player
arm.
knows.
Oh, I can't.
And
His
love his
nose.
hair.
What is that?
I love his hair. All right, that's it for this video, guys. I was your host, Charmander.
I was Pikachu.
I'm Ash Ketchum. I'm gonna go find Squirtle and Bulbasaur, but we got some bloopers you don't wanna miss out on, so stick around.
Bye.
Say Pika Pika.
No, you made me do it last time.
Pika Pika.
Okay, so do we
Yo.
split or keep going 3?
I'll do one more. Yo, do I look like Charmander?
You do.
They'll know. They'll see the three of us and they'll
Can
know.
you guys tell that I am Charmander?
Hold up your fire.
Yeah, hold up the tail, man. That's
Look
where
at my
it is.
tail.
Look at this fire.
Aww.
I don't have a tail because I'm human.
I got the deluxe.
There you go.
Same, except look how mine's limpy.
Oh, yours is sick.
It doesn't
Your
stand
tail's
up.
on your back. Mine's on my ass, where it should be. Hey, what's happening to you guys? I'm Charmander.
We didn't say who was second. Okay, let's do
Oh, I
it
was
again.
gonna- okay.
Let's go in order.
I was gonna say you go because it's like, and then I'm the trainer Ash.
I'll go second. Maybe say Instagram.
Oh, yo, I got teeth. You see that?
Yeah.
You got him on the side too.
No way. Oh,
Right there, dude.
You wanted deluxe. That probably cost an extra $50.
Deluxe
that's-
comes
that's-
with a tail and
fire.
and extra teeth.
It's worth it.
Hopefully it's low calories.
Oh my god, that'd be so cute if they did a Caesar salad and their kid was like bacon bits.
Oh.
Oh, there you go. You and Britt and Olivia next year.
Yeah, we should do that.
You Caesar salad and make her bacon. How cute!
This year we're going as skunks.
I know, that is gonna be so cute.
You know what I just noticed? This Charmander has pockets. Yo, this deluxe is worth it.
It came through.
Put the candy in the pocket.
Dude, look at these pockets.
Ash Ketchum. Was that fake one?
Look at this. It's like
Oh.
it's like a. Oh no, it's
How much-
starting to open up more.
I feel bad for Ash Ketchum. Yo, didn't you just win your first ever Elite?
Yeah. Hey Gary, if you're watching this,
Wasn't it the first win out of like 30 years? You know what
Yeah.
I'm talking about? It's real news. Ash finally won.
with the homies right here.
Yeah.
Pika
Oh,
Pika.
Yeah. Well,
Charmander.
I was evolved.
Yeah.
I'm just chilling as Charmander right now.
Yeah.
It's too tired being Charizard all day.
All the time, just being a beast.
Yeah, I can't be Beast all the time.
Oh, and you guys have P as well? Oh, we have P, Poo, and both together. So if you want the deluxe, that's what it looks like.
You have just the pee and just the poop.
This is the deluxe.
This is the combo. This is deluxe. That's what I'm talking about. You pay a little bit more.
I wonder if it comes with buckets too.